Now, 2 months after the eggs were laid, the youngsters are calling from inside. The emergence of the first encourages the rest to get going. Luckily for them, alligator babies have bodyguards. Their mothers are the most caring in the reptile world. On late summer mornings, hatchlings still use dragonflies for target practice, with mixed success. And they still kick back when the day gets too hot to do too much of anything at all. But if she loses her grip, she must take the risk, or her cubs will starve. That's one cub on dry land. It's the only home he's ever known. Mission accomplished.